Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and germs. Welcome back to another daily Stoic episode. Today is January 4th. Oh, wait, I'm just gonna adjust this, the light, yes. Today is January 4th, 4th day of the latest year, 2020. And here's what we're going to read. The Big Three. And I quote, "All you need are this: certainty of judgment in the present moment, action for the common good in the present moment, and an attitude of gratitude in the present moment for anything that comes your way." End quote. Marcus Aurelius on his Meditations. Perception, action, and will. Those are the three overlapping but critical disciplines of Stoicism. There's more to philosophy, certainly, and we could spend all day talking about unique beliefs of the various Stoics. And I quote, "This is what Heraclitus thought. Zeno is from Citium, a city in Cyprus, and he believed that, end quote." But would such facts really help you day to day? What clarity does trivia provide? Instead, the following little reminder sums up the three most essential parts of Stoic philosophy worth carrying with you every day into every decision. Control your perceptions, direct your actions properly, willingly accept what's outside your control. That's all we need to do. My realization or my key takeaway for this reading or for today's reading is you have power over perceptions, you have power over your power, and you have power over your will. That's similarities of those three. Now, let me use an example from a happening earlier. Because what happened earlier, I had an argument with my sister because she's being too loud while I'm trying to focus. So what I did was take the situation as a chance to use everything that I've learned from Stoic philosophy and everything that I've developed, and I use that situation to control my perceptions, to take action. And then I used my power over my will to accept the things that I cannot change, because I cannot change how she responds to me, but I can change how I respond to her. You know what I'm saying? I can change, or how I can manipulate how will I respond to her so that she doesn't react violently. And yes, I used what I've learned, but I can see that there are a lot of things that I can improve and I must improve. There's always room for improvement when it comes to stoicism. That's for me, because everything that you can learn here can be turned into a skill, and yes, and into a habit. So that's my sharing for today, and my key takeaway is you have power to control your perceptions, your action, and your will. It's up to you. Would you let it control you, or would you take control over it? That's it. Thank you very much for listening. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you think that you know someone that must hear this or must hear my past readings, please send them a link, share, and don't forget to put a comment if you think that I have a lot of things to improve on. Yeah, that's it. Bye.